The closest we've been to confirmation of a new Ford Edge is the Chinese Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, which published specs and images of the new Edge headed to that market, and a set of spy shots from Spain. The Chinese have their new crossover in 6 or 7-seat Edge L form. Wearing the design language seen on Ford's latest international products, the Edge L is like the straight-laced crossover incarnation of the China-market Mondeo sedan and Evos crossover coupe. Pretty restrained, but it's also pretty handsome. It's also pretty long at 196.9 inches, about 8 inches longer than our Edge, plus 2 inches wider, an inch taller, on a wheelbase 4 inches longer. That puts it roughly at 2 inches shorter than our Explorer, and almost 2 inches narrower, on a wheelbase 3 inches shorter. The entry variant is distinguished from the street line by a different front fascia treatment and a body-colored lower rear fascia, instead of the black version on the fancier model. 2 engines will be offered, the base motor a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, making 249 horsepower and 279 pound-feet of torque. The premium option is an e-hybrid making a combined 271 horsepower and 299 pounds-foot. Both shift through a traditional automatic no-X gear and come with all-wheel drive. Ford China says the hybrid can return 37 miles per gallon, and thanks to the roughly 20-gallon tank, travel an estimated 738 miles between fill-ups. Inside contains 3 rows in 2-2-3 configuration, the second row captain's chairs fitted with neck bolsters under the headrests, as well as leg rests that flip out during recline. The entry-level Edge L gets a 2-tone interior and copper accent standard. The street line enjoys black leather with red accents. Both look good right down to the detailing. The driver gets a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a head-up display. Driver and passenger can let their fingers do the walking all over the 27-inch infotainment touchscreen set atop the instrument panel. The list of possible mod cons includes a panoramic roof, ambient lighting, Bang & Olufsen audio, and 20 driver assistance aids.